Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to add cash to Cash App card at 7-Eleven. So it's a step-by-step guide to adding money to your Cash App card at 7-Eleven stores. First thing you need to do is, step one is of course open Cash App on your phone. After that, step two, tap the banking tab icon on the bottom left corner. Then after that, step three is tap paper money or add cash at store. Then, after doing that, step 4 is Cash App will show nearby location. Select 7-Eleven. After selecting 7-Eleven, tap Get Directions or Show Barcode to get your unique barcode. Then after that, step 6, go to Get Cashier at 7-Eleven and say you want to add cash to your Cash App. Then at step 7, show them the barcode on your Cash App screen. And step 8 for the last step is hand over the cash you want to deposit. And the cashier will scan your barcode and confirm the deposit. There you go. Processing time, funds are added instantly to your Cash App balance. You'll get a notification once the money is available. Fees, 7-Eleven usually charge $1 to $4, varies by location, different by location. Minimum deposit is $5. Maximum per deposit is $500. You can add up to 1,000 every 7 days. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions about the Cash App, just type it on the comment section below. And a quick tip for you guys: always use the barcode inside Cash App. Do not try to load cash using your card at an ATM or prepaid machine. So there you go, guys. So yeah, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.